Hello and welcome to the Mansuri Show. I'm your host, Arif Zaffar Mansuri. आज की एपिसोड के दो हिस्से हैं. We are very fortunate today to have the Chief Minister of Sindh, Murad Ali Shah, with us today.
I was very excited to have Stanford come to Karachi, one of the leading business schools in Pakistan. My personal support also as being an alum of Stanford University.
How is the Sindh government planning to support this design lab in terms of resources?
Whatever the industry requires, that is not being transmitted to the universities, and that is why we've got a mismatch.
Pakistan is rapidly becoming a hub of IT and IT ecosystem outsourcing.